day everybody, this is Joe from Lowveld Wood Designs, and today, as promised, I'm going to show you how to build your own drum sander using common stuff that you can find around your house. First of all, I've got a piece of press wood with some hinges on them. I've got some of these round discs that I've cut out with a hole saw, about 4 or 5 of them, with a M10 piece of rod on the front with a bearing, and a small M6 on the back so that it can fit onto the motor. Then I've got a stabilizer for the bearing so that it doesn't run around the wall. I've got a ruler so that I can measure the size of the wood that I want to cut, and then a common motor that you can find anywhere. So let me start with this bolt. First of all, I'm going to put these screws inside here. Now I'm going to attach the motor to those bolts.